Hey.
All right, just remember. Disclaimer: I did not approve of this one. I am in no way involved in this.
For legal reasons, I am okay with this.
We're in Mexico.
Yep.
All right.
Yeah,
so,
got negative reinforcement there.
Full throttle, no throttle. Full throttle, no throttle. That don't do crap.
Don't touch anything.
Oh, that's what's supposed to be the brake that doesn't work.
All right.
So, but like I said, you know, gear, when you're ready to slow down, toss that up.
We got Owen's bachelor party out here. I can't see over there, but there's a nice ramp into the pond. And Harley's dead set on this one, so
in neutral right now.
I don't know, but we're gonna drain the oil.
You ready?
Yeah.
He's gonna take a test around here. I jump the solenoid.
What do you think, Ellen?
Well, what's the opinion? You got interview here.
I may or may not use it to get over the ramp.
I think right there's our sweet. I think he's got to worry about keeping it straight. Stay straight. Well, that's just how it is. But make sure you drive straight.
Oh yeah.
So you do a test drive and get straight. It's not that loud.
It's fucking loud.
But when you do your test drive, try to get straight instead of.
Yeah. I was getting used to it.
All right, post first test run, Harley. How you feeling on this?
I'm okay with it.
Is it intimidating?
I mean, when I went into third, I wasn't ready for it to go back.
So,
other than that,
how fast? What gear were you coming up this with?
third.
Yeah, so I would hit the ramp third or fourth.
All right.
That was fast enough. What do
I
you
think so. You got to be ready. This front end's gonna drop.
Yeah.
All the weight's on the front of this.
So
it should be good because it should push you over.
Still on.
I honestly think we should go right now.
Do another test hit and try to go straight.
We got to get the oil out first too.
Oh yeah. And oil and gas. You neutral.
It's too bad this thing rips.
Make sure when you turn it off, turn the key off. Well, I mean, you don't have to.
We'll come back with an update here in a minute.
Perfect amount.
Oh, just a tip.
Just a tip.
Just the edge of the tip.
Somebody go get
I
that.
gotta close this vacuum line real quick.
Think he's got enough gas in it?
It's got enough gas. You got a bungee cord that we can put on here.
Preparation's been made. Got the approach going. What are you thinking, Mitch?
Oh, I think you can go either really good or really bad.
There's no in-betweens on this.
No in between. It's either he's gonna shoot into the water or he's taking the whole trailer with him.
There's no brake. The gas is pretty much just gonna be stuck wide open.
And you got one chance.
There's no Evel Knievel run up on this. This is just go. Once again, I do not approve of this one. Yeah, Tanner, can we get your verbal disprove of this as the landowner here? just for the court case.
He will have a 21 gun salute at his funeral. We are fine.
I don't know if we can show this on YouTube if you keep stripping.
Huh?
So we can't have this on YouTube if you keep stripping.
It's good.
Barry, you got my phone? Did we reinforce the takeoff ramp?
No. Hey, before you hit the ramp, let me go check it, and I'll give you the okay.
Harley, real quick. Final.
Yeah.
I got your GoPro on there.
Final thoughts, Harley.
I'm ready.
What's going through your head?
This is probably the most badass jump.
Oh.
Through there.
This?
This. Put it on like a shirt. Oh, okay.
This is going to be the one that blows up right here.
Taylor.
So you just.
Where's he at?
Yeah, and then you can just flip the video.
Are you going out in the water?
Getting rigged up.
I'm coming with them.
I still do not approve of this.
Legal reason. I'm 18.
Before we do the jump, we gotta wait for OSHA to show up. Approve it.
I didn't even show the ramp yet. Shit. It's got a tilt trailer. Some logs under it.
How's he gonna tie us up?
Got some party backer, it looks like.
Not a lot of room. Well, it needs to be tied to the mower.
Big logs up there.
Yeah, you know what?
I mean, it feels sturdy.
That's how we're gonna get the mower back to land.
He's dead set on it, so we're gonna see.
I'm telling him, not you.
I know, I thought he was recording.
The angle of approach. No idea on water depth.
Yeah.
Here goes. Got safety guys in the water. Recovery team. I'm really getting nervous there. I'll say for the 75th time, I do not approve.
Alright, get the strap, let's get it out.
Get the strap, get the strap.
That was beautiful.
Yeah, we're coming. Dude, you got fucking so far. We gotta circle back.
You got a strap? Is that all the longer the strap you got?
Oh.
Why do you only give you a 2-foot strap?
Strap.
Yeah. It's fucking colder than shit.
Come on, brother.
Woo! Fuck! Holy shit! Get over! Fuck!
That wasn't a good feeling. Oh, baby.
Why hell did not come undone?
I don't know, we just undid a little bit of it.
Part of that?
Alright. Since it's in the water, you're gonna flip it the other way.
Anybody with boggers on want to flip this thing?
Harley?
That's deep. It's seat deep.
Hey, back to the how slip was it? Back to the full run.
I see the oil.
Oh, fuck! There's a GoPro in the water.
Oh, it let loose! Fuck! Fuck! Yeah. Hold the brake, Andrew.
Shit!
No, strap's on there.
We got a fucking...
Yeah, oil or gas. What is it?
That's oil.
Keep going. Put her low.
Yeah. Hey, you're already cold. Stop swimming for it.
Alright. Now watch out, this is very important.
Fucking beautiful. Look at that.
Alright, hold on. Here, hold on. Whoa. Hey, flip that mower. Alright, see if you can flip it now. Hold on. Oh, shit!
I was trying to hold her.
No, I don't have my phone on me. Alright, shiny. You're done.
You gotta use your feet.
Hold up. Keep going.
step mow.
Who's next? Hey, that was fucking successful.
I think this needs to stay here.
Let's take a closer look at this ramp. Logs under there.
Oh, perfect. Didn't even lose.
All held up by logs.
Oh, is the GoPro on there?
I was gonna say you had to hit it on something for it to come off like that.
How'd it go? How'd you feel out
I think
there?
it went great. I was going pretty fast.
That was
pretty
the
happy.
best outcome you could have probably
Yeah.
asked for right there. Yeah.
Lost the GoPro for a minute, but me and Taylor found it within like 10 minutes. Everybody said it was badass. I
You
got
got-
air, it felt like.
You got any sponsors you want to shout out after?
What was that mower?
Yeah,
Stepmo, fucking
Arian
it is
mowers or
cold.
something?
Thank you.
What
My
was that?
fucking sombrero.
Yeah, Husqvarna.
Husqvarna, Yamaha, all the brands.
We run all the brands here.
Oh man, it's like 50 out that water. It's still at least be 30.
That's where we're at on that one. Thankfully, we're all set and no one got fucking killed.
That's a win. That is a win.
Best outcome possible. All right, there's the oil and gas out of it. That's about 95% water. We got new oil-ish, new gas. Just gonna see if this thing cranks up after the miraculous jump. I think she's gonna fire right up like nothing ever happened. Where's that ether at?
Right there.
Where's? Oh yeah.
There's probably that oil left in the car.
Give her. Baby.
Battery's dying.
Damn.
We gotta get a nice jump on this thing.
Is there a jump back?